Hi guys, hi, how's it going? How y'all doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today we're unboxing my Beautylish lucky bag. It came in the mail yesterday, which is the absolute fastest I have ever received a Beautylish lucky bag. So as I'm filming this, this is actually Saturday. I had a hair appointment yesterday and it came while I was at my hair appointment. Yesterday was the 17th, right? They shipped out on the 15th. This is the soonest I've ever received it. And they were shipped by Amazon. How weird is that? I thought that was kind of crazy. Anyways, I got my box. I'm really excited because this is quite possibly the biggest box I've ever received from Beautylish, and it makes me excited for what's inside of it. I did kind of cover my address with the Post-it just in case, and I did put a knife through this guy, but I haven't opened it at all, so we're gonna dig in, and I hope that sounds like something you're interested in watching. If it does, please keep on watching. For those of you new here, hi, my name is Donna, lover of all things high and colorful beauty and self-care. Ultimately, this is my self-care. I love coming out here talking to you guys about the good, the bad, the ugly, all the things that are coming into my collection, out of my collection, and I get the Beautylish Lucky Bag XL every single year, or at least I've gotten the XL I think for the last 4 years, and my first year 5 years ago I got the regular bag. So this is the first one though that's been this size, so I'm excited. Let's open it up. So first things first, do I look like a starburst? I love this hair. I wasn't certain about it at first because it's actually like right smack down the middle is like this side of my hair, and right smack down the middle is like the yellow orange side of my hair, and then at the bottom it's opposite. I am convinced that my stylist has magical hands and that I can do just about any color under the rainbow on my head and it'll look okay. With that said, loving the new hair. I hope that you guys are loving it too. Kind of reminds me of a starburst. Let's open this. If you guys are new here, hi, this is me, crazy hair, lots of chatter. I hope that you enjoy your time. We usually see a lot more people around these parts during Beautylish Lucky Bag season, and I'm so excited. This is an extra large Lucky Bag, so it did cost $150 plus 20-something dollars or $20 shipping or something like that. I can't remember exactly how much I spent on it. Tax, shipping, all the things, I think it came to like $178. You purchase it on the 26th of December, which is the day after Christmas, of course, Boxing Day. There's always something different, always a different theme, and it's the luck of the draw. You're going to get stuff that maybe you have, you're going to get stuff that maybe you don't have, and sometimes there's a really lucky bag out there, and sometimes it's just not. You're always guaranteed to get at least double the amount of worth in your lucky bag. The regular ones are $75. You're guaranteed at least $150 worth of product, and the extra larges are $150, and you're guaranteed at least $30 worth of product. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. So when you open it, oh, that's stiff. You're gonna see who packed your box. The person that packed my box is, I don't know, I cannot read this handwriting. There's that, but it was packed in California, which is so amazing considering all the things going on in California. I love the paper. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. My two pieces of paper are not stuck together, so usually they're stuck together, but it comes with this little card on it. I'll show you guys the paper that we have this year. The paper changes every single year. Like I said, there's a different theme every single year. Okay, so this says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." So I'm super excited about that. That is such a cute little card. And then the paper, everything is nice and, oh, I must have two. Oh, I have two pieces of this paper. This is so cute. I bet you my daughter would love this. So it's kind of like a comic book, kind of like a journey. So we have your lucky bag coming in on a balloon, your lucky bag with the little duck on it, and the balloon just hanging out over the top of the wires. And then we've got it trying to land on your rooftop and then it landing on your rooftop and exploding with all the amazingness. And I've got 2 sheets of this paper, which I am actually pretty excited about. You never get 2 sheets. That also tells me that this is a bigger box than normal. Is this a bigger box than normal? I think so. I haven't watched anybody else's. You get a ton of paper. So I'm going to take this paper and we're going to just toss it towards the back. And then we have got our bag of goodies. And I'm going to pull it out of here. No spoilers. I'm not looking. No spoilers. We're not looking. We're not looking. We're not looking. We're not looking. All right, so here's open. I can't find the opening. Okay, found the opening. Okay. All right. Pulling the first thing out. Okay. So this is a Kitsch claw clip. Obviously, my hair is too short for a claw clip, especially one this size. But I have a daughter who has an amazing amount of long, long hair that I will give her. I will give her this. It's just a plain brown claw clip. Next. R&Co dry shampoo paste. I love dry shampoo. I'm not 100% on a dry shampoo paste. Oh, that's interesting. It's really hard. I'll have to figure out how to use this, but it is the R&Co dry shampoo paste. I've never used a dry shampoo paste. I just don't know how to, but I do like me a dry shampoo. So next, this is a Mob Beauty lip capsule. Is this one of their like lipstick like holders? It doesn't say it's a lipstick, but this is just one of their lipstick holders. Oh, okay. There's a lipstick in here. Oh, okay. So it is a reusable lipstick capsule, so you can put different lipsticks into it. This one is one of their cream lipsticks in 58, but that is the color of it. I actually quite like that color. It's a really nice kind of peachy nude shade. So interesting. I'm glad it's not just the capsule because that would have made me angry for an extra large bag. Okay, next we have a Sonia G brush. This is a little squatty guy. And it is the mini base brush. So it is a mini, little tiny squatty guy. But I love Sonia G brushes and they are so soft. They are so soft. I probably would not use this like a foundation brush. It does say it's a base brush, but I would probably use this more as like a contouring brush. I can see that being its purpose for me. But it's also really super small and my brush storage is really super tall. So I'm going to have to figure out where I can store this where it's not going to get lost in the shuffle. Okay. Next is Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. You know, I know we get one of these in every single one of our lucky bags. We get a Good Molecules product. It is their house brand. I'm not 100% excited about Good Molecules products. Honestly, I can get them at Ulta Beauty. I work for Ulta, so they're really inexpensive products in the first place, but they're really inexpensive for me because I can get them at Ulta on discount as well. So this isn't something that brings value to the box for me. So far, the only things that I'm really kind of intrigued by or excited about are the brush and the lipstick. I'm okay with the lipstick. Even though it's a cream formula, so I'm hoping that that means it's not like matte. Okay, the next thing is, okay. We have a Danessa Myricks Color Fix foils. So this is one of her like liquid eyeshadows and it is in the shade Jewels, which is exciting because it's like they knew what my favorite color in the world is. And I accidentally just got a glimpse of what's left in there and I'm kind of excited and not excited all at the same time. Mostly because I just am the person I am. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. I'm actually really excited. Do you guys see that flip? It's like peachy to like the chartreusey color. Like, I am stoked for this. That's amazing. So excited for that guy. All right. I'm going to pull this out because I kind of saw it. I have the Natasha Denona, a golden palette. This is a palette I already own. It's a palette I already own and that I haven't used. So I guess I could take it back if I'm still within the time frame. I'm not sure if I'm still within the time frame or no, though. Chances are I will probably put this, I'll probably put this into a giveaway, honestly, because I never take back makeup. Maybe if I'm within the window, I might take it back. Maybe. We'll see. I already have this too. I actually used it today. So this is the Film Star Bronze and Glow. This one is the same thing. It's just this is a full-size version and it is the Swarovski Crystal like anniversary edition or special holiday edition of this. This is the same thing, only it's a mini. So this will likely also go into a giveaway because I already have it. I have it and I use it every single day. And this is kind of what you run into when you get a goodie bag. And the last thing, this is why I had a bigger box. I think that the point of this being in there is maybe to make it an extra lucky box. I don't know, but I got an entire Augustinus Bader. Augustinus Bader? Is that how you say that? This is the Augustinus Bader starter kit with the rich cream. So the rich cream is, honestly, in my humble opinion, the cream I would want to have. Are they full size? I don't know enough about Augustinus Bader to know whether these are full size products or not, but they look full size. So that is what I got. There's 4 items in here. So it comes with the cleanser, the essence, the face oil, and the rich cream. So 4 different products in there. I mean, they're all really big. Let's pull these guys up. So all this stuff should be for sale on Beautylish and we'll be able to see what our total price is. So the Augustinus Bader set here. Holy cow, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. But I guess it's not, they have to be like not full size, right? So the whole kit for the 4 items is $215, which is absolutely astronomical. I kind of really love the mesh bag. It's really heavy, very luxe feeling. $215 for that. The Natasha Denona Golden Palette is, of course, $69. The Film Star Bronze and Glow Mini is $29. The Good Molecules is $6. The Sonia G Mini Brush is $48 for this little tiny brush. The Kitsch Hair Claw Clip is $10. Okay, so the Mob Beauty lip capsule, so the thing that is enclosing the lipstick is $5 all on its own, and then the lipstick is $24. So $29 for this product here. The Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Jewels is $20, and I have to tell you, what you're looking at on the Beautylish website does not do this product any justice. If I were looking at it on the Beautylish website, I would have never purchased it. It looks gold. It doesn't look like it's a flippy duochrome peachy to green. And then the R & Co dry shampoo paste is $34. Okay. And it looks like the total value then, if we add this all up, it's $460, you guys. It's almost $500 worth of product that's more than double the price I paid for this. It's $460 is 3 times the amount of money that I paid for the box in and of itself. So, am I happy? I mean, I don't think I'm unhappy, if I'm honest with you. I'm really glad to have a couple of really great high-end products to go into my next giveaway or to go to a friend or whatever. Honestly, I don't I have never looked twice at Augustina Spader products because they're so darn expensive, and I have a skincare regimen that I really truly love. I love Dermalogica products. I purchase Dermalogica products. I get a lot of Dermalogica also in gratis. I just love Dermalogica, so I've never looked twice at Augustina Spader, but I'm interested in trying it. I'm happy to have it. I've never been a fan of dry shampoo paste, but I'm going to do some research, figure out how to use it, and go from there. I already gave you my ish on Good Molecules, but I mean, Good Molecules is a good brand. I really like hyaluronic serum. My skin likes a hyaluronic serum. I'm really super excited about these 3 items, and these 3 items make up not even $100 of the box. So that said, like, I could have spent $100 and got the 3 items and saved myself like $100 extra, right? Or $78 or whatever. But the luck of the draw, right? Am I mad? No. Do I wish I had something else? Sure. I also might put these up on I'm part of a Beautylish luckybag like swap and trade site. So I also might put these up on that in addition to this and see if I can get something that I'm interested in, but I haven't seen any of the other boxes unboxed yet. So I don't even know what's out there. Should I be mad at this? I don't think so. Am I mad at this? No, I don't think so. I'm super happy about it. And I will continue to get the lucky bags. This isn't my most exciting one, but I always love the lucky bags. They're super fun. That said, let me know. Did you get a lucky bag this year? Which one did you get? I would be interested to hear what you got in your lucky bag. I also would just love to know what you think about the products that I got in my lucky bag. What do you think about Augustina Spader? Have you ever tried it before? I'd be really interested to hear about that. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you and yours are well. I hope that you are all safe and healthy and getting along as best that you can. I hope that you are all loving each other, being kind humans, and living your best life. And until next time, bye friends.